Hello guys, कैसे हो आप लोग? I am CA Gopi Gevaria. Today I would like to share how to prepare CA final indirect text paper. Let's get started. First of all, understand one thing, that there are so many small chapters in this subject, and almost there are 32 chapters in this subject. But don't afraid after listening this number of chapters, because you have to follow 80-20 rule in this particular subject. Focus on 20% of the portion which covers 80% of your math. So IDT is comparatively easy than DT. So you can easily score a good marks in IDT or say exemption in IDT, but you have to follow right strategy for IDT. One thing for all subject, that your concept should be clear, because if any question in exam ask out of box, you can easily solve based on your concept. Just before 2 months of my exam, I was scared how to prepare for IDT, and to brush up my concepts, I had enrolled for Akshan's Garg Express batch of 15 days, and it's very helpful for me, and I scored 53 marks in IDT. Or you can also watch a YouTube free revision lecture of Akshan's Garg sir or any other faculty. So I had divided all the subject in three parts: first, second, and third. First parts chapters are place of supply, time of supply, value of supply, ITC, assessment and audit, inspection, search and seizure, demand and recovery, penalties and valuation under custom duty. First part chapters are more practical, so you can easily understand and learn these chapters, and also these chapters are definitely asked in exams. For ITC chapter, you don't have to waste more time on this chapter, because you have to just solve some illustration which covers all the adjustment or comprehensive illustration to cover good marks in this chapter. And if you follow these tips, you can easily score 7 or 8 out of 14 marks. Also, for theory chapter, you can watch Akshan's Garg free YouTube lecture, which are very helpful. Second part chapters are supply under GST, RCM, exemption, registration, account, records and e-way bill, import export, levy of exemption from custom duty, types of duty, warehousing, refund, classification of import exports. Second part chapters, you have to make your concept clear and solve some question. You can easily score good marks in this particular chapters. There is high chances to ask MCQ from this part, so you have to more focus on concepts. And third part chapters are tax invoice, credit note, debit notes, payment of tax, electronic commerce transaction, returns, job works, liability in certain cases, advance ruling, miscellaneous chapters, import export in custom duty, and FTP. Third part is very easy and scoring, because you have to just go through 1 or 2 times all the concepts, and there are chances to ask MCQ from these parts, and you can easily score good marks in MCQ. I am not influencing you, but I have just sharing my own experience. If your concepts are weak in IDT, you have to just watch Akshan's Garg free YouTube revision lecture. It's very helpful, and also his tips, tricks and guidance are very useful during the exam. And thank you so much guys. If you have any query related any subjects, ask me in the comment section. Bye bye.